Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to reactivate a deactivated Facebook account. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Enter your email or phone number and password in the respective fields. If you're having trouble remembering your password, you can click on Forgotten Password to recover it. Once you log in, Facebook will likely ask you to confirm that you want to reactivate your account. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. Click on the appropriate button to confirm. After confirming, you might be taken to your account settings. This is a good opportunity to review your privacy settings and other preferences. You can adjust them according to your liking. You may need to confirm your reactivation one more time. Simply click the Reactivate Account button. Congratulations! Your Facebook account is now reactivated. You should be able to see your friends, posts, and notifications, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.